Alrighty, here is my rain guard by Lakewood. Model number is 225RG. And this particular fan dates to 2003. These were one of the last of the really good Lakewood fans, and these particular models were pretty short-lived. I don't recall ever actually seeing these and sold in the stores. I might have, but I don't really recall. Apparently, these fans were strictly sold at Home Depot from 2003 to 2004, maybe '05 too. I'm not sure, but yeah, they weren't. This model was pretty short-lived, and yeah, this is still a pretty decent fan. It is. He's got the pretty cool blue brace blade. Lakewood. Pretty thick cabinet on here too. I mean, it's pretty much the normal what Lakewood was making. The same fan. It was just had the white blades and the typical layout of Lakewood fans of this era. But this was just kind of, I guess, a Home Depot special model. The back of the fan. And it's got that cheap China-made motor, but actually, you know, compared to the Chinese imported motors that are available in fans today, which are junk and they suck, these weren't too bad, I guess. You know, obviously this thing's still around. A lot of these fans are still in use. You know, yeah, nothing real special about these, but they're nice. I like them. They're from my era of fans growing up. A friend of mine had one of these back in like middle school. And I'd go over his house after school a lot, you know, play video games and stuff. And his parents had one of these, and it was always running, and it was either on high or medium. It was never seen it on low or anything, and I never seen the blades. Like it was always running whenever I was there. They used circulate AC around, and yeah, it was just kind of like the design of it. This is a 3-speed model with the thermostat, and the thermostat does work too. And flip it over for some model information. So yeah, 225 Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing Corporation, Chicago, Illinois. Can't really read. I guess it's like I don't know what that number is behind that, but it's illegible. So, yeah, it's got a boombox cord, nice gray cord. I like one of my favorite colors is gray, but yeah, polarized, what you expect. Boombox kind that plugs in. So go ahead, plug it in, tune in my favorite station. Here's high. Pretty good air movement, I guess, you know, for what it is. Not bad. Only drawing pretty much 1 amp, a little bit over 1 amp, 128 watts. Kind of a noisy fan for, you know, I guess some people could say, but I know I like it. I like that kind of noise. Medium. .106 and low. Not bad, I guess, for Johnson, but still not one of my favorite Lakewoods, but these were pretty cool, so that's why I'm kind of glad I found this one in pretty good shape. I'm planning to hold on to it for a while. Back to high and thermostat off. It's weird, the light stopped working. Light was working before, but now it doesn't. Oh. There's high speed. Medium. Pretty quick startup time, but there is one. It's just very quick. Low. There's a bitching bird out there. I'm sorry. Back to high. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.